Welcome to our video on creating charts using Excel to visually represent data. We'll guide you through the process of selecting data, choosing chart types, and customizing them for effective data visualization. To begin, select the data range you want to visualize, including both labels and values. This step is crucial as it determines the data that will be represented in your chart. Next, navigate to the Insert tab in Excel and choose a chart type from the Charts group. For example, a column chart is ideal for representing monthly sales data effectively. Once your chart is inserted, use the chart tools to customize elements like titles, labels, and legends. These modifications help in making your chart more informative and visually appealing. Formatting your chart is essential to enhance its appearance. Adjust colors, styles, and other formatting options to ensure your chart is both attractive and easy to understand. After customizing and formatting, review your chart to ensure it accurately represents your data. This step is important for maintaining the integrity and clarity of your data presentation. Finally, save your workbook to preserve your work. Properly formatted charts not only facilitate better understanding, but also improve communication of data insights to your audience. In conclusion, creating and customizing charts in Excel allows for clear and effective data presentation. With these skills, you can transform raw data into insightful visual stories that are easy to comprehend.